Ever wonder how to blend live video into your text like this? PowerPoint can do it in minutes, no extra tool needed. Today, we are learning how to create a cinematic text reveal using just a background video in PowerPoint. Start by inserting your preferred video into a blank slide. Nature, city, or travel scenes work great. Next, go to the Insert tab, add a text box. Type your title like travel, center your content, select bold font, increase the font size. Now, select the video first, then the text box. Go to Merge Shape, click on Intersect, and just like that, your text is now filled with live video. Reduce the video size a bit. Then, align everything to the center and middle of the slide. Go to the Animation tab, add the play animation, and set it to start with previous. Then click Add Animation, apply Grow and Shrink Animation. Set it to the start with previous, duration 8 seconds and increase delay. Now go to Video Format, add a video border and decrease the width for a polished frame. Click on Slideshow and enjoy your animated cinematic title reveal made entirely in PowerPoint. Clean, bold, professional. You have just learned how to merge text and video beautifully in PowerPoint. If you love this effect, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for more PowerPoint magic right here on Akshrika Tutorials.